It's Mike Less bringing you some more 2018 corn harvest footage from Veek Farms near Vincennes, Indiana. They are out here harvesting their crop with their Gleaner Super Series S88 Combine with an 8-row 3000 series corn head. On the side of this combine, you will see a decal celebrating 90 years of Gleaner combines from 1923 to 2013. This combine right here was on display at the Agco booth at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky a few years back. Also coming up in the video is a versatile Genesis Series tractor, model 2180, pulling a J&M 875 grain cart. I have done some videos here in the past of their potato operation. I was here just a year ago in the next field over as they was planting potatoes, and I was back later that summer, did another video of them digging potatoes. Good group of guys here at this family farm. Several of their versatiles come from Pig Implement out of Sullivan, Indiana. And of course they're Gleaner fans and also Alice Chalmers fans. These guys got started shelling corn here at the end of August of this year. This is sandier soil right here, so you can see the pivot in the background. All irrigated land right here, real close to the Wabash River. Last year, they got done just a little too soon before I made it here. Did not get any of that combine footage, so I was glad to make it here this year and get this before they got done. Corn yields in this field are pretty darn good. Of course, I'm not going to tell you what that is, and this was around 18% moisture.